What's up everyone, my name is Alex Costa, and if you're in your 20s and if you're having a tough time being successful with the ladies, then this video is for you. Alright, this list it's specifically made for guys in your 20s, but keep in mind that you can definitely start working on these things in your teen years, alright? It's never too early to start. Let me show you what I mean. Number one on this list is hire a photographer or get a friend to take a lot of cool pictures of you. And why, you ask? I know it's annoying. I know nobody wants to be taking photos. It's a little bit embarrassing. Well, look, your online presence, it matters a lot in your 20s right now, all right? That's a fact because it matters to girls, it matters to everyone around you, and it's such an easy thing to do, right? Think about it this way. The first thing that people do when they meet each other nowadays is ask for each other's Instagram, right? Or ask for each other's, I don't know, maybe TikTok now, but I'm assuming it's gonna be Instagram first, which means you should have really cool pictures there waiting for them to be seen. All right, so if you meet a girl, if you get the opportunity to talk to her and exchange either numbers or Instagram contact information, then you have really cool photos. Now, it doesn't have to be anything super professional, all right? You could hire a professional photographer if you wanted for one single photo shoot and get 10, 20 cool photos out of it. But what I'd suggest is get a friend to do it. You can use your phone. It doesn't really matter what you're using to take the photo, as long as the quality is decent. And think about who's gonna be seeing your Instagram. You know, if it's gonna be your boss, if it's gonna be your colleagues, then maybe you wanna take some photos that are a little bit more professional. If it's just for girls and just for family, then you can be way more casual, way more fun, and show off way more personality. But having good photos nowadays, guys, that's gonna crush the game, all right? That's gonna give you such a big advantage when it comes to being compared to other guys. So this is what I suggest. Find a friend, bring a phone, all right? You guys bring a couple of outfits and take photos of each other until you guys are happy with the photos. He gets photos, you get photos, and you guys are happy. It's a win-win situation. By the way, if you guys want any inspiration for photos, check me out on Instagram. It is at Alex Costa. I post it pretty much every single day. Not saying you have to copy me or should copy me, but there's definitely some inspirational photos there if you guys want to do something similar. I think it really works. Number two, guys, start more conversations. Talk more. Be more social. The number one problem for most guys is they're too scared, too shy to start a conversation. And that is the biggest problem ever, because if you don't start the conversation, trust me, it's never gonna go anywhere. Think of it this way. You go and you talk to a girl. The worst thing that could happen is she can say, I have a boyfriend, or I'm not interested. But you could also make a friend. If that's not gonna work out as a relationship, you could also make a friend. Plus, if you don't start the conversation, it's just never gonna work out, right? So many guys are scared of rejection. Oh, I can't talk to her because it looks like she's with two other friends. Oh, I can't talk to her because she's too far. Oh, it's too early, or it's too late. Those are just bad excuses, all right? Throw those out the window, go and say hi. That's all it takes. Be more social. Don't be rude, don't be all over the place, all right? Just go say hi, introduce yourself, at least strike a conversation with a girl this week, and then come back here and let us know what happens in the comment section below. Number three, guys, let's talk about the obvious here. Your physical appearance, that matters. You know what I mean? Like the same way that you care about how a girl looks, girls are gonna care about how you look. So you have to take care of yourself. And I'm talking skin, I'm talking hair, I'm talking clothes, I'm talking your shape, right? Your physique. And being in your 20s, that means that you should be in your tip-top shape. All right, you have a lot of energy, your metabolism is 100%, it is perfect, right? So you should be looking amazing right now. And if you're not, I'm telling you, you have to catch up. You have to do this. You have to hit the gym every single day. You have to make sure that you're exercising, making sure that you're eating healthy. And then of course, you know, just taking care of your body, taking care of your skin, making sure that you're doing your hair so that you look amazing. There's so much potential with so many guys out there and they leave it on the table. Just take it. If you guys want any fitness inspiration, I have so many fitness videos here on the channel. If you want hair inspiration, I have lost count of the amount of videos that I have here teaching you guys how to have a cool hairstyle, how to change it up. The 10 best hairstyles for 2020. That is all in the channel. I'm gonna leave it all listed in the description below. And of course, if you want a hair product that's gonna make sure that you have a cool hairstyle that's gonna hold your hair up all day long, then I have just developed Forte Series. This is a texture clay that gives you such high hold and it nourishes your hair every single day by having argan oil infused within that product. The texture clay was sold out. All right, you guys loved it. Thank you guys so much for the support. We have just restocked it, which is amazing. So you can go to forteseries.com or click the link in the description below and go get your jar right now. Number four, work hard on your career so that you can be successful and have good income. If you're struggling financially, you're not gonna have the means to go out on the weekends and meet people. You're not gonna have the means to sign up for Tinder Gold or whatever. You're not gonna have the means to go on that trip, with those friends that could lead you to meeting a special girl. Having a career, working hard, and being able to afford those things will 100% help your dating game. You're gonna be able to afford nice dates. You're gonna travel more. You're gonna go out more, and that all increases your chances with the lady. Plus, when they see that you have your life together, it is instantly attractive to them. Most girls don't want a boy who is unsure of what he wants. They want a man who has it figured out, or a man who is at least on his way to figuring things out, who is working hard towards his goals. That is an attractive trait, being motivated, being focused, being driven. This is definitely gonna help you get more girls in your 20s, especially considering that most other dudes in your 20s, they don't do this. They don't even care about trying to figure it out. So be different. Stand out from the rest. Guys, I know we briefly talked about this a little bit earlier in the video, but be careful with what you post online. Yes, you should definitely get, cool photos with your friends, but just be really careful. What you say, what you comment, what you post, it can always come back to you. Kevin Hart is a good example of that. You know what I mean? He wrote something, he tweeted something bad years ago, and it came back to haunt him now. And that goes for getting dates. If you posted something really bad a couple months ago, trust me, the first thing she's gonna do is swipe up until she finds it, all right? And also getting a job, because your boss is not gonna like you making fun of other people online. So make sure that you know what you're posting. Think about anything before it goes online, because once it's up, once you upload it, it is there forever. And common sense things too. Don't be posting your dog or your cat every single photo. Don't be posting food photos every single day. My tip to you is always double check anything you post before it goes up, all right? Think about it this way. Is this a negative thing to say? Is it hurtful to anybody? Am I bullying someone? Am I going to regret this later on? Take that extra minute before you post, because that could really save you later on, guys. Just that one extra minute, and you're gonna be very thankful for that. Guys, make sure to try out my new hair clay at forteseries.com, because I know you're not gonna regret it. And you guys, the reviews have been so positive. I'm so happy with what you guys have been saying and posting about it on your Instagram and Instagram story. I try to repost as many as I can on my story. My Instagram is at Alex Costa. You guys should definitely check it out. If you learned something new from today's video, then make sure to subscribe. And if you wanna learn more, leave a comment below. What else should I talk about? What should be my next videos? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Peace.